Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Traveling is amazing, but it often comes with challenges, especially when it comes to staying fit. It's so easy to fall off track with unfamiliar foods, different schedules, and the temptation to relax and indulge a little more than usual. But the good news is, you don't have to come back from your vacation feeling sluggish and out of shape. Today, I'm sharing practical tips on how you can stay active, eat well, and maintain your health while on the go. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. Plan ahead. Fitness starts before you travel. Before you even step on that plane, your fitness journey starts with a plan. Whether it's a weekend trip or a long vacation, a little preparation can make a huge difference in helping you stay on track. First, research your destination. Take some time to explore what fitness options are available to you. Does your hotel have a gym? Are there parks or running routes nearby? Knowing your surroundings in advance can help you incorporate activity into your travel plans seamlessly. Next, pack smart. You don't need to bring your entire gym with you, but a few small items can go a long way. Resistance bands, a jump rope, or even a pair of lightweight workout shoes take up very little space in your luggage but can provide you with effective workout options wherever you go. Just knowing you have them on hand can encourage you to stay active. And finally, schedule your workouts, just like you would schedule any other important activity during your trip. Set realistic goals for yourself. Instead of telling yourself you'll work out every day, aim for something manageable, like 15 minutes of exercise each morning. Write it down in your itinerary, so it becomes a non-negotiable part of your day. For example, let's say you're visiting a beautiful beach destination. Pack a pair of water shoes, perfect for running on the sand or exploring the coastline. Chapter 2. Stay active with travel-friendly workouts. Now let's talk about how to stay active while you're on the go. The good news is, you don't need a fancy gym or any equipment to get a great workout. There are plenty of ways to stay active using just your body weight and a little bit of creativity. Body weight exercises are your best friend when it comes to staying fit while traveling. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, and require no equipment. Think squats, push-ups, lunges, planks. These classic exercises work multiple muscle groups at once and can be easily modified to fit your fitness level. Even squeezing in a quick 10 to 15 minute bodyweight circuit in your hotel room each day can help you maintain your fitness level and burn some extra calories. Another simple way to stay active is to maximize those everyday opportunities for movement. Skip the elevator and take the stairs whenever possible. Those extra steps add up. After meals, go for a brisk walk to aid digestion and burn off some of those extra calories. You'll get to enjoy the scenery and get your heart rate up at the same time. Even your hotel room can be transformed into a mini gym. Try this quick and effective hotel room circuit: 30 squats, 20 push-ups, and a 30-second plank. Rest for a minute, then repeat the circuit 2 more times. It's a challenging but efficient workout you can complete in just a few minutes. And if you find yourself at the airport during a long layover, resist the urge to just sit at the gate. Get up and walk. Chapter 3. Make the most of local activities. One of the most rewarding aspects of traveling is experiencing new places and cultures. And what better way to immerse yourself in a new destination than by incorporating local activities into your fitness routine? Embrace the outdoors and seek out adventures that get you moving. If you're in a mountainous region, go for a hike and enjoy breathtaking views while challenging your endurance. If you're near a lake or ocean, go for a swim or try water sports like kayaking or paddleboarding. Renting a bike is a fantastic way to explore a new city at your own pace, getting some exercise while taking in the sights. Why not try a local sport or activity that's popular in the region you're visiting? If you're in Thailand, for example, consider taking a Muay Thai class. Muay Thai is a high-intensity workout that combines martial arts techniques with cardio and strength training. Or if you're in Japan, wake up early and join the locals for a morning jog in a traditional park. It's a great way to experience the local culture while getting your heart rate up. And speaking of local experiences, don't underestimate the fitness potential of a day at the beach. Running on the sand provides an excellent workout for your legs and core, while playing beach volleyball is a fun way to get your heart pumping and improve your agility. Even simply swimming in the ocean or trying out stand-up paddleboarding can be a full-body workout disguised as a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Chapter 4. Eat smart while enjoying local cuisine. Let's face it, food is a big part of the travel experience. Trying new foods and indulging in local delicacies is part of the fun. But that doesn't mean you have to completely throw your healthy eating habits out the window. The key is to strike a balance between enjoying yourself and making mindful choices. A good rule of thumb is to follow the 80-20 principle. Aim to make 80% of your food choices healthy and nutritious, and allow yourself to indulge in those local treats and indulgences 20% of the time. This way, you can savor the flavors of your destination without derailing your health goals. When choosing your meals, prioritize protein and fiber. Look for dishes that feature lean protein sources such as grilled fish or chicken, tofu or legumes. Pair them with plenty of fresh vegetables or whole grains for a balanced and satisfying meal. These foods will keep you feeling fuller for longer, provide sustained energy, and prevent those energy crashes that can leave you reaching for unhealthy snacks. Another helpful tip is to be mindful of portion sizes. Restaurants in some countries are known for their generous portions, which can lead to overeating. Instead of feeling obligated to finish everything on your plate, consider sharing dishes with your travel companions or opting for smaller portions. This way, you can sample a wider variety of dishes without overdoing it on calories. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're exploring the vibrant street food scene in Thailand. Instead of reaching for deep-fried snacks, opt for a refreshing and healthy papaya salad. Chapter 5. Stay hydrated and get enough sleep. While exercise and nutrition are crucial components of staying fit, it's important to remember that true well-being goes beyond just working out and eating right. Hydration and sleep play equally vital roles in maintaining your energy levels, supporting your immune system, and promoting overall health, especially when you're traveling. Staying hydrated is absolutely essential, especially when you're constantly on the move, exploring new places, and potentially exposed to different climates. Traveling, particularly air travel, can be incredibly dehydrating, so it's crucial to make a conscious effort to drink plenty of water throughout your trip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times, and aim to refill it whenever you get the chance. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and even more if you're in a hot or humid climate or engaging in physical activities. To further support your hydration efforts, consider limiting your intake of alcohol and sugary drinks. While it can be tempting to indulge in cocktails and sodas, these beverages can actually dehydrate you further. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like coconut water, herbal teas, or simply water with a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime for a refreshing and hydrating boost. In addition to hydration, prioritizing sleep is crucial when it comes to maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being while traveling. Lack of sleep can wreak havoc on your metabolism, disrupt your hormone balance, and leave you feeling drained, irritable, and more susceptible to illness. Try your best to maintain a consistent sleep schedule even when you're in a different time zone. Chapter 6. Stay consistent and be flexible. Now I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but what happens when my travel plans go awry? What if I miss a workout or can't find a healthy meal? And you know what? That's perfectly okay. Life happens, especially when you're traveling. The key is to embrace flexibility and focus on consistency over perfection. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Even if you can only squeeze in a short 10-minute walk or a few bodyweight exercises in your hotel room, it's still beneficial. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or indulge in a few extra treats. Just get back on track as soon as you can and keep moving forward. Use your travel time wisely. Those long flights, train rides, or car journeys can actually be great opportunities to fit in some movement and stretching. On a plane, try doing some seated stretches or ankle rotations to improve circulation and prevent stiffness. During road trips, plan regular stops to get out of the car, stretch your legs, and take a quick walk. And if you're waiting at the airport, resist the urge to just sit there. Walk around the terminal, explore the shops, or find a quiet corner to do some light stretches. Above all, remember to enjoy your trip. Staying fit while traveling shouldn't feel like a chore or a burden. It's about making mindful choices that support your well-being while still allowing yourself to fully experience and savor the joys of travel. For example, let's say you missed your planned morning workout because you decided to sleep in and enjoy a leisurely breakfast. No problem. Simply adjust your plan for the day. And that's it. Staying fit while traveling doesn't have to be difficult. It just takes a little planning and some smart choices. I hope these tips help you on your next adventure. Which of these tips are you going to try on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.